Welcome to all. Today's topic is electric field due to an electric dipole at any point on the equatorial line. What is equatorial line? Equatorial line means it is the line passing through the center of the dipole and perpendicular to the axial line. Now, the first, what is electric field due to an electric dipole? Let us consider an electric dipole A, B. At A, the charge is plus Q. At B, the charge is minus Q. O is the center. So let us consider an electric dipole having charges plus Q and minus Q at A and B respectively. Clear? Let P be the P be a point on the equatorial line. At which we determine the strength of the field. Clear? So that is the equatorial line. This equatorial line, P is a point on this line. Join AP and BP. P is the point on the equatorial line, means the line which is perpendicular to the dipole and also the axial line. At a distance R from the O. This is the R. The length of the dipole is 2A. So let 2A length of dipole or dipole length. R distance of P from the center of the dipole O. Center of the dipole O. So if this is 2A, so OA is A, OB is also A. Clear? Now, then join AP and BP. So what is AP and BP? These two are equal. So AP and BP equal in the triangle OAP. These are right triangles. OAP, AP square is equal to OA square plus OP square. So AP is equal to BP. Also in this triangle, what is AP? AP is equal to root over of R square plus A square. Why? AP is root over of OP square plus OA square. OP is R, OA is A. So that means R square plus A square. As AP is equal to BP, so AP is equal to BP is equal to root over or square root of R square plus A square. Clear? Now we can find out the field strength at P due to plus Q. The field strength was at P due to plus Q or at A. So that is equal to, suppose this is E1 magnitude. E1 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by AP square. Positive charge towards P, AP square. So why the direction of the field towards AP? Why? Why not towards A? Along PC. PC, that is E1. Why PC? So let us consider a test charge. A unit positive charge is placed at P. Unit positive charge. As positive, a plus and plus. At this point, a force experienced towards this. Why? The positive like charges repel each other. Clear? So that is the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by AP square. That is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square plus A square along PC. Clear? Now, the field strength was strength of the field at P due to minus Q. Field at P due to minus Q. Minus, it is positive unit positive charge, plus and minus attract each other. So this is the E2. So E2, magnitude of E2 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by BP square. This is plus Q, this is minus Q. Plus and minus are two sides. It is not for Q are magnitude. So that is Q. Q by BP square. BP and AP same. So along PB. That is equal to E2 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square plus A square along PB. So E1 and E2 magnitudes are same. E1 and E2 magnitudes are same, but directions are not same. Directions, one is along towards PC, other along PB. So what is the net field strength? For net field strength, resolved E1 and E2. Result. Result means now E1 is resolved into two rectangular components, one vertical and one horizontal. PD, PF. This angle is theta, this is also theta. These two are parallel, so this is also angle theta. These two are parallel, this angle theta means this is also theta. Clear? So now E1 and E2 are resolved into two rectangular components. Two components. So, what is two components? One is E1 cos theta, other is E1 sin theta. Component of E1. Along PD, E1 sin theta. Along PF, that is E1 cos theta. So E1 cos theta, that is the horizontal component along PF. Clear? Number 2, E1 sin theta along PD, vertical component. Now, component of E2, component of E2, that is first E2 sin theta, E2 sin theta along PO, E2 cos theta along PF, E2 cos sin theta along PO. Number 2, E2 cos theta along PF. There are 4 components, 2 for E1, 2 for E2. Clear? Now, E1 sin theta along PD, E2 sin theta along PO. These two components are equal and opposite to each other. Clear? E1 sin theta and E2 sin theta. This is E1 sin theta, E2 sin theta along E2 sin theta along PD and PO. So these two are, as these two are equal opposite, these two are cancel each other. The component E1 sin theta along PD and E2 sin theta along PO are equal and opposite to each other. So they are cancelled. Cancelled. Other components, E1 cos theta, E2 cos theta, both are in same direction. So net component by net field strength is E1 cos theta plus E2 cos theta. Clear? So what is the net field strength at P due to the dipole? E is equal to E1 cos theta plus E2 cos theta. E1 cos theta plus E2 cos theta. So that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square plus a square cos theta plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square plus a square cos theta. This is also along PF direction. So these two are same, equal. So that is equal to 2 into 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square plus a square cos theta. Now what is cos theta? What is cos theta? In this triangle, in any one triangle, OAP, in the triangle OAP, what is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to OA by AP. OA by AP. That is equal to A by square root of R square plus A square. Clear? So, that is equal to 2 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by R square plus A square into A by root over of R square plus A square. Clear? So that is also equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2aq by R square plus A square into R square to the power 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2aq. 2aq means q into 2a. Q is the charge, 2 is the dipole length. So the product of charge and dipole length is the dipole moment. So dipole moment is P. P is equal to R square plus A square to the power 3 by 2. As P is equal to 2aq, that is dipole moment. That means, so P is the dipole moment, that is 2aq. So that means is the product of charge and pole length, by dipole length. So now E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by R square plus A square to the power 3 by 2. P is dipole moment, which is vector. So for vector notation, what is the vector? So what is the vector in vector form? E is a vector. So that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by R square plus A square to the power 3 by 2. As P is a vector, so it is a vector quantity. This is the vector form. But E, electric field, the direction of electric field is always from positive to negative. But the dipole moment is directed from negative to positive, opposite to each other. Electric field is positive to negative, P is minus to plus, so a minus sign is there for vector notation. It is the vector form. It is the vector form. In special case or in dipole, in case of dipole R or A is very less than R. A is very small as compared to R. So, neglecting A square, as compared to R square. So R square, A square is very small as compared to R square. So A square can be neglected. So what is the E? Now what is the E? So E is equal to 1 by magnitude 4 pi epsilon naught P by R square to the power 3 by 2 along PF. So this implies E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by R square into 3 by 2 means E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by RQ. This is the field strength or net field strength at a point, at any point on the equatorial line. Here at the point P, which is the point on the equatorial line. Now the expression is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by RQ. Clear? That's all. Thank you all.